Clinical trials give patients access to treatments not yet on the market.
What they do need to know about clinical trials is that it's an alternative. It's something different.
Angelo Termini is CEO of the New England Institute for Clinical Research. He shares these 5 facts about clinical trials. Number 1, you might not actually get the medication being studied. You might get the other active drug or placebo, but you will get standard of care. In other words, clinical trials for serious diseases always include needed treatment. At number 2, patients in clinical trials get VIP care.
If a patient has any type of symptoms, for example, they could call the office and we'll get them in right away. They're receiving medical treatment, they're receiving medication, they were also having imaging done, so the MRIs, and that's at no cost. That's a big deal.
And at number 3, the study won't last forever, so you'll need to find out ahead of time if you'll have the option to continue with the next phases of study.
Looking at the safety and efficacy of the medication. And that's something that's going to be, it could be 2 years, 3 years until that drug goes to market.
Number 4, Termini says some patients find a treatment that works better than everything else they've tried.
They feel like they're making a difference, not only for themselves, but for those who have the same symptoms and same disease.
And finally, number 5, if for any reason you want to discontinue the treatment, you can bow out of a clinical trial at any time. And a side note for you, to keep clinical trials unbiased, Termini says even if treatment is going great, workers here can't share in your celebration.
Behind the scene, yeah, it's very rewarding because you are making a huge difference in these individual lives.
And, that is cool. That's interesting. You really have to conceal your excitement.
Right.
For BrainNewsBrief at NEINH, I'm Gillian Neff.